Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and recommendations. Today, we have an amazing product to showcase, the Furban A4 Paper Cutter, a 12-inch titanium paper trimmer. If you're in need of a reliable paper cutter, you're in the right place. Stick around to find out why this is the best paper cutter on the market. Let's dive right into it. The Furban A4 Paper Cutter is designed to make your paper cutting tasks a breeze. Whether you're into scrapbooking, crafting, or simply need precise paper cuts for various projects, this cutter has got you covered. Here are some key features that set the Furban A4 Paper Cutter apart from the rest. Professional guillotine cutting. This paper cutter offers clean, straight cuts along printed lines, and it does so without any drag. Plus, it's easy to replace the blade when it becomes blunt. Size and materials. It's versatile, capable of cutting A3, A4, A5 paper, photos, cards, and even laminated materials. It can handle up to 10 sheets of paper at a time, prolonging the blade's service life. Accurate measurement. With a 45° to 90° angle measuring plate and cm/inch scale, you can ensure precision in your cuts, trimming both angle and length with ease. Portable and safe. This cutter is lightweight and convenient, and it only works when you press the blade down, ensuring safety, especially around children. Versatile crafting. Whether you're making craft projects, wedding invitations, or greeting cards, this cutter is your ideal tool for home, office, and school use. Now, let's talk about value. The Furban A4 Paper Cutter has a list price of $18.09, but you can get it now for just $11.49, saving you $6.60. Which is a fantastic 36% discount. Plus, it's available in sleek black, adding a touch of elegance to your workspace. But don't just take our word for it. With over 25,000 ratings and an impressive 4.6-star average, it's no wonder this product is the #1 bestseller in rotary paper trimmers on Amazon. If you're curious about how this paper cutter performs in action, check out some video demonstrations from satisfied customers. They'll give you a first-hand look at what this product can do. Looking for more cutting options or related products? You can also consider the Paper Corner Rounder, perfect for adding a professional touch to your creations. It's available for just $8.99. In conclusion, the Furban A4 Paper Cutter 12-inch titanium paper trimmer is a game-changer for anyone who frequently works with paper. Whether it's for crafts, office tasks, or school projects. With its precision, safety features, and unbeatable price, it's no wonder why it's a top choice for so many customers. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest product reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences with the Furban A4 Paper Cutter, feel free to leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.